Unique Specialty Classics, and it's a popular one. 1970 Pontiac GTO 2-door hardtop. Yes, true GTO 242 VIN car. And check it out in that black paint. This stuff looks like it's still wet. So paint shows well. Black on black. Has had to repaint to black. Black vinyl interior. Buckets up front. Center console with a shifter on the floor. Is an automatic paired up with a 455 V8 underneath the hood. It is a YC block, error correct, 455. Nicely equipped. Also power steering, power brakes, AC. Take a look at this front. Of course, the Endura front bumper on the 1970. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see this car from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out, underneath the hood, check out the trunk. Everything looks as good as the exterior. And take a look at it in the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the length of that car, and you know if you have poor body work underneath black, it shows up in a hurry. Look at how straight that is. Running on 5-spoke chrome wheels. Let's take a peek at this interior. Seat belts all intact. Also, of course, 70 would have the lap belts and the shoulder belts up front. A little aftermarket stereo has been put in there, an aftermarket gauge cluster. When I get around to the driver's side, I'm going to show you how nice a job they did on that. Check out in the still pictures too. You're going to see build sheets on this car that were found that will be in the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear chrome, dual exhaust. Of course, that big GTO wing. And again, you can see how that paint reflects, shines. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. A few things about this car. 373 rear gears. You are going to see headers on the underside pictures. And remember, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, and AC. That tack on the hood. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Door panels. FYI, when you see the blue down here, there's kind of a blue LED light for their interior light. Seats appear to be free of rips, tears, holes. Got a little area just way in the back underneath where the backrest is, separated a tad bit there. That's the only thing I really noticed for wear on the seats. Rear seat's good. Also headliner, good shape. Take a peek at that. And there's over 100 pictures of this car online, so you'll be able to see it from every angle on our website also. Now, I mentioned the aftermarket gauge. It's a nice little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath there. But take a look at how they did this with this Pioneer stereo. Fitted in between 8-track player and the bottom of the dash, and then went ahead and put the wood grain, kind of vinyl wood grain simulation on there so it blends in with the rest of this dash. Very tastefully done. And I have had the Pioneer radio working, FYI. Let's go ahead and fire this up. A little cam to it. Alright, if you can see that tack is working. Take a look at the aftermarket gauges down here. Also working. That was a cold start, so I'm assuming that temp gauge is going to come up with temperature of the engine. See the Pioneer stereo powered up. Alright, slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Then we're going to check out the engine bay. Door closes very nicely. Again, 455 you're listening to. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take me 2 hands to get this hood open, and we'll check out the engine bay and wrap up this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped and finished off as nicely underneath here as the rest of the car. As you can see, MSD 6AL, digital ignition, AC compressor, power steering, power brakes, nice smooth running V8 underneath there. Of course, that 455, plenty of torque. Wow. This one will turn some heads into your local shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins. 1970 Pontiac GTO, true GTO 242 VIN code car, 455 underneath the hood and nicely equipped. That slick black paint. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.